Good morning all of you. Let's start a new lesson. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, algebraic fractions. Today we are going to learn algebraic fractions. Right, here this is a not new thing for you. You have learned earlier fractions, no? For example, 3 upon 4. Look at this fraction. We call this is the numerator. This is the numerator. This is, what is this? This is denominator, no? This is denominator. Numerator and denominator. Right. You have heard here 3 is non-term, no? Constant. 3 is constant, non-term. We have learned this. And x is unknown term, if not algebraic term. Algebraic term. X, algebraic term. Both algebraic term and known term we call algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Right. Now you should know this. Right. Then sometimes algebraic term must be numerator. Right. Sometimes denominator. Sometimes both. In algebraic term, if numerator or denominator or both numerator and denominators are there, it is called algebraic fractions. Here, these are algebraic fractions. These are algebraic fractions. These are not simple fractions. These are algebraic fractions. Why? Here, unknown term. If not algebraic term, numerator are there. This is denominator are there. Both numerator and denominator are there. It is called algebraic fractions. Understand? Right. Now this is not an algebraic fraction. This is not an algebraic fraction. Right. Okay. Then, right now, here look at this. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Then how can we simplify this? This is two fractions, no? Two fractions are there. Here denominator is equal, no? Then 4. Then we add numerators, no? 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4, 1. But look at this. Sometimes 3x upon 4 plus x upon 4. Here, what's the difference between this? These are algebraic fractions, no? Two algebraic fractions. Here, denominator is equal, but in numerator, algebraic term are there. Here, then common denominator is 4. Now you can add 3x plus x. Then this is the like terms, 3x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, 4x upon 4. Now 4 to 4 cancel, remaining is 6. Understand? This is how we here equal, no? Equal. Right. Here you can see denominator is equal. When denominator is equal. When denominator is equal. Right. Another one. Right. Another one. Sometimes 5a upon 7 minus 2a upon 7, yes, plus a upon 7. This is look like 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. Look at this. Right, look at this. Here, this is 3 fractions are there, no? Equal. Denominator is equal, then 7, common denominator is 7. Now numerators you can subtract, no? First two can subtract other one is add. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 7. This is how we simplify. Right, look at this. Look at this. Here, both one are, these are 3 algebraic fractions. No, denominator is equal, common is 7. Now you can subtract 5a minus 2a plus a. Then 5a minus 2a, 5a minus 2a, 3a. 3a plus 1a, 4a upon 7. This is how we simplify. Understand? Right. Okay. Then these are equal denominators. When equal denominators are there. For example, another one, equal denominators. 5x upon 9 plus 2x upon 9. What is the difference between the equal denominators? Right. Another one, 5y upon 7 minus 3y upon 7. Yeah, equal denominators. Another one, 4x upon 15 plus 7x upon 15 minus 2x upon 15. Here, can you see the board? Can you see the board? Right. These 3 examples you can see denominator is equal. Right. Common denominator is 9. Then 9, the numerators can add 5x plus 2x. Now you can see 5x and 2x are like terms. Then when 5x plus 2x, 7x upon 9. Right? Here the second example, the denominator is equal, 7. Then common 7. Then numerators can subtract 5y minus 3y. These are algebraic fractions. Then like terms, 5y minus 3y, 2y upon 7. This is the answer. Here you can see the third example. There are 3 algebraic fractions. All one are equal denominators. Then common 15. First 2 can add 7x subtract 2x. These are like terms, 4x plus 7x, 11x. 11x minus 2x, 9x upon 15. Now you can see 9 and 15. 9 and 15 can simplify. Right. 9 divided by 3, 3x. 15 divided by 3, 5. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Right. Another one. Another example. Right. Another one. Here. X plus 1 divided by 5 plus x plus 2 divided by 5. Add. Here you can see this is add. Add of algebraic fractions. Right? You can add this. Right. Then here you can see, here when add this, denominator is equal, no? But numerator here, this is the algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. You can see here algebraic expression, and this is denominator 5. 5 algebraic expression. Add these 2 fractions. Right? Add these 2 fractions. Add. Then denominator is equal 5. Now you can add expressions. X plus 1 plus x plus 2. Now you know, then x plus x is a like terms. So 1 plus 2 is a like terms. When add this x plus x, 2x, 1 plus 2, 3 upon 5. This is the final answer. Right? When here addition this, when expressions are there. When expressions are there. Another one. 2b plus 3 upon 7 minus b plus 2 upon 7. Now you can see here this numerator is expression. No, this is expression. Here equal denominators, subtraction of denominators. Yes, subtraction of equal denominators. The common is 7. Now you can subtract numerators. 2b plus 3. When you subtract this, you should put brackets. B plus 2. Right? Understand? No need to put bracket, but especially this b plus 2 you should put. Then 2b plus 3 Now remove brackets, minus plus minus b, minus plus, when multiply, minus plus minus 2 upon 7. Now these are like terms, 2b minus b, b, 3 minus 2 plus 1 upon 7. This is the final answer when subtraction are there. When subtraction. Understand? Right. Let's write another example. Right. Okay. Then 7c plus 8. 7c plus 8 upon 8. Minus 2c plus 1 upon 8. Minus c minus 2 upon 8. Here 3 algebraic fractions are there. Here numerator algebraic fractions, algebraic expressions equal denominators. The common is 8 now. Now let's simplify like this. 7c plus 1 minus, here with brackets, 2c plus 1 minus c minus 2. Right? When simplify this, 8 is common. Now 7c plus 1, let's remove this, minus plus minus 2c, minus plus minus 1, right? Then minus plus minus c, minus minus plus 2. Right, I can see here like terms, 7c minus 2c, 5c, 5c minus c, 4c. Plus minus 1, plus 1 to minus 1 cancel, plus 2 upon 8. Now 4c plus 2. 4c plus 2, I can factorize this. 4 and 2, common 2. Then 2, 4c divided by 2, 2c, c divided by 2 plus 1, 8. Right? Now 2 and 8, here this is bracket. Now 2 and 8 can simplify. 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. The answer is 2c plus 1 upon 4. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Final answer. Right? Right. Okay. Now, can you complete this? Here, can you complete this? Can you complete this exercise? Okay. Now try to complete this. Try to complete this exercise. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. The first one, simplify the following. A upon 5 plus A upon 5. B 3D upon 15 plus 2D upon 15. C 2T upon 3 minus T upon 3. Right? D 7V upon 10 minus 3V upon 10 plus V upon 10. E x upon 8 minus 3x upon 8. F P upon 9 minus 4Q upon 9 minus 5P upon 9. Here, copy down this. Copy down this. Copy down this. Right. Then, second one also, simplify the following. Second one also, simplify the following. this is the second one, A 3y plus 1 upon 5 plus 2y plus 2 upon 5. You can see denominators equal. B 4m minus 1 upon 7 plus 3m minus 2 upon 7. Right? C 6d plus 1 upon 10 minus 2d minus 1 upon 10. Right? D 3x plus 1 upon 6 minus 2x minus 3 upon 6 plus x plus 4 upon 6. Here, do this and write down this, copy down this. Right, okay. Then next addition and subtraction of fractions, algebraic fractions, when unequal denominators. When unequal denominators. For example, here 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Here, can you see? This is unequal denominators. No? Then how can we simplify this? Here 2 and 4 unequal denominators, 4 and 2. Then we must take the equal denominators. Right. To convert equal denominators 4 and 2. To convert equal denominators, 2 should multiply by 2. No. Then 2 should multiply by 2. When 2 should multiply by 2, we make 4. Then 2 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. Here. Then equal denominators, common 4. Then 2 plus 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4 upon 4, 1. Same, 2x upon 4 plus x upon 2. This is 2 algebraic fractions. Unequal denominators, 4 and 2. Now we should make 4 as a common denominator. To make 4 to common, 2 should multiply 2. Then both numerator and denominator should multiply by 2. Then 2x upon 4 plus x into 2, 2x, 2 into 2, 4. Now equal denominators 4. When add 2x plus 2x, 2x plus 2x, when add 4x upon 4. Now 4 to 4 cancel, answer is 6. Right? Yeah? Understand? Right. Okay. I think you will understand this. Right. Another one. Unequal denominators. Right? Unequal denominators. Then another one. 2y upon 5 plus y upon 4. Here, can you see unequal denominators? These are unequal denominators, 5 and 4. What is the common denominator of 5 and 4? The multiplies of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. The multiplies of 4, 8, 16, 12, 16, 20. Now 20 is common, no? Both multiplies of 5 and multiplies of 4. To make 20, 5 should multiply by 4. Then 2y also multiply by 2. Two equivalent fractions. Here to make 20, 4 should multiply by 5. Then both 5. Then 5 into 4, 20. 2y into 4, 8y. Plus 5 into y, 5y. 4 into 5, 20. Right, now you can see 20 is common. When add 8y plus 5y, when add 8y plus 5y, 8 plus, this is like terms, 8 plus 5, 13y upon 20. Answer, final answer. Understand? Right, another one, another example. 2t minus upon 3 minus t upon 2. When simplify this, two algebraic fractions. Here unequal denominators. No, you can see unequal denominators. Unequal denominators. Then what is the common denominator? When multiplies of 3, 3, 6, 9. When multiplies of 2, 6, 8. Now 6 is common, no? Then to make 6, 3 should multiply by 2. This also multiply by 2. To make 6, 2 should multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Now 3 into 2, you can see 6. 2t into 2, 4t. Minus 2 into 3, 6. 2 into t into 3, 3t. Right, now 6 is common. 6. When subtract numerators, 4t minus 3t. Now this is like terms, 4t minus 3t, t, 1t upon 6. This is the final answer. When addition and subtraction are there. When addition and subtraction are there, when unequal denominators. When unequal denominators. Right, another example. Another example. 3v upon 2 minus 4v upon 5 plus 3v upon 4. 3v upon 4. Right? Then here there are three algebraic fractions. 2, 5, 4 unequal denominators. Now let's take a common denominators. The multiplies of 2, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Multiplies of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Multiplies of 6, 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now I can say 20 is common, no? 20 is common of this. Then to make 20, 10 should multiply by 10. Right? Here, 3v also multiply by 10. To make 5 should multiply by 4. 4v also multiply by 4. Then 4 should multiply by 5 to make 25. Then 2 into 10, 20. 3v into 10, 30v. Minus 4v into 4, 16v upon 20. 3v into 5, 15v upon 20. Right, there are three fractions, equal denominators. Now, numerators first two can subtract, other one add. Right, when 30 minus 60, 14v. 14v plus 15v, 29, no? 29v upon 20. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Right, when unequal one. Right, another example. X plus 1 upon 2 plus 2x plus 1 upon 3. Here algebraic fractions, but here numerator algebraic expression are there. Then unequal denominators 2 and 3. Then you can tell me directly what is the common term of 2 and 3. Yes, 6, no? 6. Then to make 6, 2 should multiply 3. When multiplied by 3, this expression should multiply by 3. Both this. Then to make 6, 3 should multiply by 2. This expression also multiply by 2. This 2. Right? Then 2 into 3, 6. Now simplify. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 1 plus 3. Plus 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into plus 1 plus 2. 3 into 2, 6. Now you can see common denominator 6. Now you can add numerators 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 2. Right. Then I can see like terms 3x plus 4x can add 7x. 3 plus 2, 5. This is unlike terms. That's all. 7x plus 5 upon 6. Right. Then another one. Another example. Five y minus 1 upon 6 minus 3y minus 2 upon 4. Here look at this. Unequal denominators here. Numerator, algebraic expression are there. Then what is the, how can we equalize this? What is the common denominator of 6 and 4? 6 and 4, yes, 12, no? 12. To make 12, 6 should multiply by 2. This expression also multiply by 2. 4 should multiply by 3. Then this expression also multiply by 3. Right? To make 12. Then 6 into 2, 12. When simplify this, 2 into 5y, 10y, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 12, then 3 into 3y, 9y, right, 3 into 3, 9y, then 3 into 3, 6, 3 into 3, 6, right. Then this also algebraic expression, no, this also algebraic expression. Now common 12 is common, no, 12 common. Now you can subtract this 10y minus 2 minus here minus 9y minus 6, right? Here brackets are there. Then 12 common is 12. Then 10y minus 2 minus plus minus 9y minus plus 6. Then final answer 10y and 9y is a like terms. 10y minus 9y, y. Minus 2 plus 6 like terms, subtract. 6 minus 2, 4. Y plus 4 upon 12. This is the final answer. Understand? Right. Another one. Another one. Another one. 3m plus 2n upon 5 minus 2m minus n upon 10 minus 3m minus 2n upon 15. Here there are three algebraic fractions are there. Unequal denominators 5, 10, 15. Right. What is the common term of 5, 10, 15? Yes, 30, no? Yes, is 30. Yes, 30. Right. Then here these are algebraic expression. These are algebraic expression. These are algebraic expression. To make 30, 5 should multiply 6. Then this also multiply 6. To make 30, 10 should multiply by 3. This also multiply by 3. To make 30, 15 should multiply 2. This numerator also multiply by 2. Right? Then 5 into 6, 30. Then let's remove this bracket. 6 into 3n, 18n. 6 into 2n, 6 into 2, 12n. Right? Subtract 10 into 3, 30. Then 3 into 2n, 6n. 3 into n, 3n. Right? Subtract. This is also algebraic expression. Right. Then 15 into 2, 30. When remove brackets, 2 into 3n, 6n. 2 into minus 2n, minus 4n. This also expression. Now you can see common denominators 30. Now let's simplify numerators. 18n plus 12n. When minus plus minus 6n minus plus 3n. Minus plus minus 6n minus when multiplied plus 4n. Right, here then 18m minus 6m minus 6m are like terms. 18 minus 6, 12m. 12m minus 6, 6m. 12n plus 3n, 15n. 15n plus 4n, 19n. 19n. 19n upon 30. Right? 6n plus 19n upon 30. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Right. Now I think you can complete this exercise. Now copy down this exercise. You have to complete this at home. Simplify and simplify the following. Simplify the following. First one, a upon 3 plus a upon 6. B upon 4 plus b upon 12. C 3y upon 4 minus 5y upon 16. D 3n upon 7 plus n upon 5. E 3d upon 10 plus 2d upon 15. F 5n upon 6 minus 3m upon 10. Right? Copy down this. Right, okay. Then second one. This is the second one. Simplify the following. Second one. A, copy down this. A upon 2 plus a upon 3 plus a upon 4. B, c upon 5 plus 3c upon 10 plus 2c upon 15. C, 3x upon 5 plus x upon 6 minus 2x upon 15. D, 3n upon 4 minus 3n upon 8 minus n upon 2. Right, copy down this second example. Right, then third one. Simplify the following. A, 2a upon 5 plus 3a minus 2 upon 6. B, 2b minus 1 upon 8 plus 3b upon 12. C, 3c plus 2 upon 6 plus 2c minus 1 upon 9. D, 2m minus n upon 12 minus 3m plus n upon, this is n, this is n plus n upon 9. Then E, 3y plus 1 upon 10 plus 2y minus 1 upon 5 plus 4 minus y upon 20. F, 3y plus 2 upon 3 minus y plus 1 upon 4 minus 2y minus 3 upon 8. Right? Copy down. Right. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Can you complete this? Right. Now here, now we have to learn another one here. The addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions with equal algebraic denominators. Here, for example, equal algebraic denominators 2 and 7. Here, equal denominators, addition and subtraction. The topic is addition and subtraction of equal algebraic denominators. Equal algebraic denominators. Here, equal algebraic denominators. Now, equal algebraic denominators. addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of equal algebraic denominators. Now how can we simplify? Here 7m equal denominators, no? Then 7m is common. Now you can add you can add 4 plus 2. Then 4 plus 2, 7 upon 7m. When simplify this, 7 divided by 7, 1, 7 divided by 7, 1. Then 1 upon m. This is the final answer. 1 upon 4 plus 2, not 7. 4 plus 2, 6, no? 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7. See here, 4 plus 2, 6. Right. Then another one. 5 upon 6n minus 1 upon 6n. Now what can you see this? Equal denominators, no? Algebraic denominators. 6n common. Then 6n common. Then subtract denominators. 5 minus 1. When subtract 5 minus 1, 4 upon 6n. Now you can simplify 4 and 6. 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 2, 3n. This is the final answer. Right? Addition and subtraction of equal algebraic denominators. Equal algebraic denominators. Another one. 3 upon 4b plus 1 upon 4b minus a upon 4b. Here, what can you see? What can you see? Equal denominators, no? 4b. Then 4b is common. 4b is common. Now you can simplify the numerators. 3a plus 1 minus a. Right, now 3a and a are like terms. 3a minus 1a, 2a, here plus 1. This is unlike terms upon 4b. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Right, another one. 3 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1. What can you see? Here this is algebraic expression, no? Algebraic expression. Equal algebraic expression, no? Then x plus 1 common. X plus 1 common. Then add numerators. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 upon x plus 1. This is the final answer. Understand? When equal algebraic denominators. Equal algebraic denominators. Right. Another one. Another example. 7 upon x minus 3 minus 4 upon x minus 3. When simplify these two algebraic fractions, here algebraic expressions are there, equal algebraic expressions in denominator. Then x minus 3 is common, x minus 3. Then subtract numerators, 7 minus 4. Then 7 minus 4, 3 upon x minus 3. Remember that you can't simplify 3 to 3 because this is the constant term. This is algebraic expression. You can't simplify. This is the final answer. Right? This is the final answer. Right? Okay. Then I think you can complete this exercise using this. Right? Simplify and simplify the following. Simplify the following. First one. Five upon a plus 2 upon a. B. 8 upon x plus 2 upon x. C. 1 upon 2k plus 5 upon 2k. D. 7 upon 2n plus 3 upon 2n minus 1 upon 2n. E. 5 upon m plus 2 upon m plus 1 upon m. F. 8 upon 7xy minus 8 upon 7xy plus 8 upon 7xy. Right, copy down this. Right, another one, second one. Simplify the following. Second one also simplify the following. A, 5 upon x plus 3 plus 2 upon x plus 3. B, 8 upon n plus 5 plus 3 upon n plus 5. C, 4 upon a plus b minus 1 upon a plus b. D, 3x plus y upon x minus 3y minus 2x plus 4y upon x minus 3y. Okay, do this. Right, okay, I think you understand this. We have to talk about another thing. Right, when addition and subtraction of unequal algebraic denominators. Unequal algebraic denominators. Sorry, we will discuss later. Then addition and subtraction when. Let's discuss this. When algebraic terms are in numerators. Now equal denominators. Now we can discuss later. Unequal denominators, unequal algebraic denominators are there. Let's discuss later. Now here you can see common denominator. Here numerators, algebraic numerators are there. Right, how can we simplify this? Then 2x plus 1 common, 2x plus 1 here. Now you can add 5x plus 3x. Then you can see 5x plus 3x common term, no? Like terms. When 5x plus 3x, 8x upon 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. You can't simplify 8 and 2 because this is algebraic term. This is algebraic expression. Right, another one. 7y upon 3y minus 1 minus 2y 3y minus 1. Now you can see expression, no? Denominator expression. Equal expressions are there. Right, here 3y minus 1 is common. Then numerators can subtract 7y minus 2y. When 7 minus 2, 5y upon 3y minus 1. Here remember that you can't cancel y to y because this is algebraic term. This is algebraic expression. Right. Then another example. 9m minus 1 upon 5m minus 1 plus 3m upon 5m minus 1 minus 2m plus 1 upon 5m minus 1. Three algebraic fractions are there. Here all same expression, denominators, right? Then common is 5m minus 1. Now you can simplify numerators. 9m minus 1 plus 3m. Here remember that this is algebraic expression minus 2m plus 1. This is algebraic expression. Right. Then simplify this. 9m minus 1 plus 3m minus plus minus 2m minus plus minus 1. Then common denominator is 5m minus 1. Then we can simplify when 9m plus 3m, 12m minus 2, 10m, minus 1 minus 2 upon 5m minus 1. Right, can you see? Then 10m and 2, we can factorize 2 common. 2, 10m divided by 2, 5m, 2 divided by 2, 1 upon 5m minus 1. Right? Then can you see? This 5m minus 1 is expression, 5m minus 1 is expression. Now can cancel. 2 into 1, 2. The final answer is 2. The final answer is 2. Right, okay. Then can you complete this at home? Simplify the following. Simplify the following. A. K upon 3k minus 1 plus 2 upon 3k minus 1. B. 2h upon 5h minus 2 minus nh upon 5h minus 2. Right. C. 2y upon 3y plus 2 minus y 3y plus 2 plus 1 upon 3y plus 2. D. 2k plus 1 upon 5k plus 1 minus k minus 2 upon 5k plus 1. The last one, m upon m plus n minus m minus n upon m plus n minus m minus n upon m plus n. Right? Right, okay, copy down this. Right, okay, copy down. Right, now can you complete this at home? Today we discuss algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions. Do this exercise very well and improve your knowledge. Now let's meet another day. Till then, goodbye all of you. Ayubowan.